Hi everybody and welcome to May, right? April showers bring May flowers. So today we're going to talk about Mayflower Granny Power. And in this 31-day series, I'm going to share my favorite flower granny square projects with you. I love these groovy, fun project ideas, and with the warmer weather, granny projects are perfect. They're small, easy to bring along on trips, and nice to save up for cooler weather to piece together. So let's get started. Hey everybody, welcome to day 25, May 25th. And we are moving forward with the pattern today from poppyandbliss.com. So this is called the Fleur Motif free pattern, and it makes me think of French class, and I know that fleur means flower in French. So yeah, let's open this up and take a peek. So far, my first takeaway is the colors that she chose for the photo. Absolutely my style. I love these kinds of colors. These really bright, springy colors are so pretty to me. And just look at this, how it all comes together. Isn't that pretty? So it looks like this one she outlined this square with the center color, but in this one she outlined them in white. So that's kind of neat. I really like this. So it says this is a modified version of the blanket, but it is beautiful, and it's the same pattern. It's just a matter of changing the outline. Makes such a difference. So it says that each square is approximately 3 inches, which is pretty small. And this, of course, is the whole pattern. She gives you the whole pattern right here. And yeah, you can make these cute little squares and make whatever you want with it. You can make a cushion, you can make a blanket. Here it is in the cushion, and here it is also again with the white border around each of the flowers. They're very cute, very cute. Love this very much, and I think I almost like it better trimmed in the white. Let me know what you think. Do you like it trimmed better in the colors, or do you like it trimmed better in white? What do we think? I wonder what it would look like if you swapped your colors. Like if we maybe outlined this one in pink, and this one in green, and this one in yellow, this one in red. Yeah. All right, I'm rambling. All right, everybody, let me know. Is this something you'd be interested in making? And if so, would you make it for yourself or for someone else? So many of these things just scream baby blanket to me, and this is one of them. But yeah, I really like this a lot. Okay, everybody, until tomorrow. Wow, what's tomorrow? Day 26 already? Unbelievable. Until tomorrow, I hope you're having a great day. Bye-bye.